Most of the clothes in your closet are basically technology from the Middle Ages. But today, we're looking at garments that can charge your phone, fix your posture, and literally grow in a lab from mushroom roots. From socks you can never rip to a jacket that listens to your voice commands, these are 11 ingenious clothes you'll actually want to buy. Number 11. Shooz, the modular travel shoe. Picture this. You're packing for a week-long trip. You need running shoes for the gym, loafers for dinner, and sandals for the beach. That's 3 pairs eating up half your suitcase. Shooz said, "What if we just didn't do that?" The sole and the upper are completely separate pieces that zip together. 1 set of soles, 5 different tops. You can literally snap a running shoe upper onto dress shoe soles if you're feeling chaotic. For travelers, this is genius. You're packing 5 styles in the space of 1. For minimalists, it's a dream. For everyone else, it's just deeply satisfying to watch them transform. It's like adult Legos, but you can wear them to a wedding. Number 10. Nadi X Smart Yoga Pants. Hiring a yoga instructor is expensive. Remembering what they told you in class is impossible. So Wearable X decided to just build the instructor into your pants. The Nadi X leggings have sensors that vibrate at your hips, knees, and ankles when your form slips. Knee buckling in? Buzz. Hips misaligned? Buzz, buzz. It's haptic feedback that turns yoga into something closer to a rhythm game. The pulse module behind your knee syncs to an app and tracks your progress over time, building a profile of your practice. You're basically leveling up every time you flow through a vinyasa. No judgment, no waiting for the instructor to come around. Just you and some very chatty pants telling you exactly how to nail that warrior pose. Number 9. Kuchofuku air-conditioned workwear. Japanese summers are brutal, humid, relentless. The kind of heat that makes you question every life choice that led you outside. Kuchofuku's solution? Put 2 fans in a jacket and turn yourself into a walking air conditioner. The fans sit in the back, circulating air around your torso and evaporating sweat the second it forms. You stay 10 to 15 degrees cooler, even in direct sunlight. The whole thing balloons out slightly when it's running, giving you this inflated look that's equal parts ridiculous and genius. Construction workers in Japan have been wearing these for years. Now they're expanding globally, which means the rest of us can finally stop suffering through outdoor work in the summer. It's like standing in front of an open fridge, except the fridge is attached to your body and you can walk around. Number 8. Hexoskin Biometric Shirt. Fitness trackers are great until you realize they're just guessing half the time. Hexoskin doesn't guess. It's a base layer shirt that tracks your ECG, heart rate variability, and breathing rate at 1,000 samples per second. That's medical grade data, the kind professional athletes and literal space agencies use. No chest strap, no bulky watch. Just a shirt that knows more about your cardiovascular system than you do. It monitors sleep quality and lung capacity while you're completely unaware it's even working. You can wear it to bed, to the gym, under your clothes all day. It doesn't care. It's just there, quietly collecting data and making sure you're not about to keel over. If you're serious about performance or recovery, this thing is a cheat code. Number 7. The Exploding Poncho. Rain has this uncanny ability to catch you at the worst possible moment. You're dressed up, you're running late, and you definitely didn't check the weather. Nike Craft's solution looks like a sleek fanny pack until it doesn't. Pull one cord and the entire thing explodes into a full waterproof poncho in seconds. It's part magic trick, part survival gear, and entirely the kind of thing that makes you look like you've got life figured out. No bulky raincoat stuffed in your bag. No umbrella that flips inside out the second the wind picks up. Just a waist bag that transforms when you need it and disappears when you don't. It's a limited edition, which means getting one feels like winning a very stylish lottery. But if you can track one down, you'll never worry about sudden downpours again. Number 6. Omnia, the 100-in-1 dress. Packing for a trip when you need to look good is a special kind of torture. Business meeting, dinner date, casual brunch. Each one demands a different outfit. Unless you have the Omnia dress, which is somehow all of them at once. Hidden snaps, magnets, and ties let you transform it into a gown, cocktail dress, cape, or even a jumpsuit. The fabric has memory, so you can crumple it into a ball, shove it in your bag, and it still looks tailored when you unfold it. Minimalists love it because it condenses an entire wardrobe into one piece. Travelers love it because it saves luggage space. Everyone else loves it because watching someone transform their outfit in real time never gets old. It's the closest thing we have to shapeshifting, and it fits in a carry-on. Number 5. Bio-Fabricated Reishi leather jacket. Leather has always had a problem. Either it's real, which means an animal died for it, or it's vegan, which usually means it's plastic pretending to be leather. MycoWorks found a third option: grow it in a lab from mushroom roots. The Reishi jacket is made from mycelium, and it feels identical to high-end calfskin. Same durability, same texture, same luxury feel, except it's 99% biodegradable and carbon negative to produce. That means the material actually cleaned the air while it was growing. You're wearing something that used to be a mushroom and helped the planet in the process. Hermes and Adidas are already partnering with MycoWorks, which tells you everything you need to know about where this is headed. The future of fashion isn't animal-free or plastic-free. It's fungus-based, and it's cooler than it has any right to be. Number 4. Self-cleaning Odo Denim. Washing jeans is one of those things everyone does, but no one enjoys. Odo Denim decided to just eliminate the problem. Silver-infused threads kill bacteria, and a nanosphere coating makes liquids bead up and slide right off. Spill coffee? It rolls away. Drop honey on your lap? Gone. The jeans literally cannot absorb stains, and because bacteria can't survive on them, they never smell. You could theoretically wear them for a year straight without washing. Should you? Probably not. Could you? Absolutely. The whole thing feels like cheating, like you found a loophole in the fabric of reality. They launched on Kickstarter and immediately sold out, because honestly, who wouldn't want jeans that clean themselves? Laundry is exhausting. Odo Denim just opted out. Number 3. Project Jacquard Denim Jacket. Google and Levi's teamed up to make your jacket cuff touch sensitive, and somehow it actually works. Swipe the sleeve and you can skip songs, answer calls, or get directions whispered into your earbuds without ever touching your phone. The denim itself is the interface. No awkward buttons, no pulling your phone out in the rain, just a casual brush of your wrist and your playlist changes. But the best feature? The Find My Phone alert. Walk too far from your phone and your jacket vibrates. It saved more people from leaving their phone in an Uber than any app ever could. The whole thing feels like living in a sci-fi movie, except it's just a normal-looking denim jacket you can buy at Levi's. The future snuck up on us, and it's wearing classic American workwear. Number 2. The Titan Sock. You know that feeling when you buy expensive socks, baby them through gentle cycles, and they still betray you with a hole after 3 months. Yeah, William Painter felt that too. So they built a sock with Kevlar, the same stuff in bulletproof vests, and threw in silver threads for good measure. The Titan Sock isn't just durable, it's aggressively indestructible. We're talking lifetime guarantee, indestructible. If you somehow manage to put a hole in these, they'll replace them for free. The silver keeps them fresh for days, which means less laundry and more time doing literally anything else. Number 1. The Mercury Intelligent Heated Jacket. Most heated jackets have one setting: uncomfortably hot or uselessly cold. Ministry of Supply built one that actually thinks. The Mercury has a built-in thermostat, an accelerometer that senses your body temperature and movement in real time. Stop walking. It warms you up. Start moving again. It cools down. You're not adjusting anything. It just knows. But here's where it gets wild. It's voice-controlled. You can literally tell your jacket to turn up the heat through Alexa or Google Assistant. Your coat listens to you. It obeys commands. It's basically a smart home device you can wear outside. For anyone who's ever been too cold to function or too warm to focus, this jacket is the end of that problem. It's already available, which means you don't have to wait. You can just go buy a jacket that's smarter than most people's thermostats and never think about layering again.